Here's the cheapest way to 100% Skylanders Spires Adventure, Giants, and Swap Force by carrying over Skylanders from previous games. To 100% Skylanders Spires Adventure, all you need is one figure of each element, plus the 4 bonus levels. So the first figure you're going to use is Spyro, who goes for $1, Trigger Happy, who goes for $1, and finally, Gil Grunt, who also goes for $1. After that, you're going to go with Sonic Boom, who goes for about $3, as well as Flame Slinger, who also goes for about $3, and for life, you can either go with Stump Smash or Stealth Elf, as both of them go for about $3. For Earth, you're going to go with Terrafin, who goes for about $4, and for Undead, you're going to go with either Chop Chop or Cinder, as they both go for about $5. With Spires Adventure, you also need the 4 additional bonus packs, with the Empire Vice going for about $4, Pirate of Seas, which goes for about $5, and Dragon's Peak, also going for about $5, with the last one being the Darklight Crypt, which goes for about $9. To 100% Skylanders Giants, you need one figure of each element plus one giant, but since we already have one figure of each element, all you need is one giant, which would go with T-Rex, who goes for about $1. And because you also have one Skylander of each element, for Swap Force, all you're going to need to add on is one swapper of each class, plus the 2 bonus levels. So the first one you'll get is Blast Zone, who goes for about $1 now, and then Washbuckler, who also goes for about $1. For your spinning class, you're going to go with Free Ranger, who goes for about $6. And then the spring class, you'll go with either Firecracken or Rattleshake, as they also both go for $6. Following those two, you'll go with Gorilla Drilla for your digging class. And then for teleportation, you can either go with Hoop Loop or Night Shift, as they also go for about $7. Now when it comes to sneak, you can either go with Stink Bomb or Trap Shadow, as they both go for $8. And then for your final swapper you're going to need is going to be Freeze Blade, who goes for about $8. Now the last 2 items you're going to need is the Tower of Time, which goes for about $6, and then the Sheepwreck Isles, which goes for about $15. By reusing figures from older games, you only have to spend $44 on Skylanders Spires Adventure, $1 on Giants, and $66 on Swap Force, making it a total of $111. You do have to stop at Swap Force, as the later games require you to start from scratch, as it gets rid of the functionality of a lot of older figures.